What is up, you guys? We're here for another video here at Mike's house. We're gonna install the nitrous kit finally on my car. And yeah, I already got Nitrous drilling into the intake. Hell yeah. We're pretty much almost done. We got the Piranha, the fogger in. Hell yeah. Look at this.
Daddy Long Flip is here.
Alright, just a little quick update. Lento Michael got everything wired up with the nitrous line, purge valve, all that good stuff. The bottle heater is not working, but Lento got the wideband installed. That's pretty cool. And yeah, it's not hot, and they're working on the power for the bottle warmer. I'll catch you guys, give you guys another update in a little bit. All right, we got an update. We moved the power cable to the battery, and now the bottle warmer is working. As you can see, no more leaks. Looks like the temperature or the pressure is, as of right now.
You want me to fix it or are you good?
Looks good. About 550 psi.
Dude, that shit's steaming. That shit's low as fuck.
Yeah.
Dude, that's just super low, man.
So I'm pretty excited. We're about to test it out. Alright, what's up, you guys? We're gonna start our first test hit. We got the wideband working. We got the bottle warmer working. I'm gonna do a second gear pull. I'm gonna engage at 3,000 and then let off at 6. So
100 shot.
yeah, and 100 shot of nitrous.
Timing at 11, 12 around there. So wish us luck. And we're in Mexico right now.
Yeah, this is recorded in Mexico.
Well, it's about to go.
Alright, first gear. Not gonna punch it, so we hit BBL. I'm gonna redo that. That was pretty fucking lame. What is up, you guys? It is the next night. I'm having some issues with my car. I think it's a starter issue. It doesn't want to turn on by itself after I jump start it. I'll show you guys real quick. See, watch. Nothing. No click from the starter, nothing. So I'm just about to go into the car right now and see what's going on and see if I can find anything wrong. What is up, you guys? Yeah, it's been the next couple of days since that last clip. You know how I had that starter issue? Well, I'm a idiot. I'm a freaking idiot.
I'm an idiot! You're an idiot!
I'm a freaking idiot. And I went that next day from that clip. I went and I took the starter out of this car and look, it's right here. And then I went to the next day after that, or 2 days after that, I went to my sister's house with my blue SCR, and I took the starter of that, went to work, went straight to my sister's house, took the starter out, came straight home, put the starter on, and it did the same exact thing. And I was just so tired. I was over it the next day from work. I came home, and I was messing with the wires, and I was checking everything, and I'm the biggest idiot ever. And the starter signal fuse was in the wrong spot. I'll show you guys real quick. Light. Yeah, you see this 7.5 amp fuse is brown one right here. Well, before it was one up right here, and it was supposed to be down here, and I put it there, and boom, it started right up. And I'll show you guys real quick. And just so you guys know, to turn on my car, I don't need to press the clutch. I could just leave it in neutral and just. But yeah, it turns on. I just have a little concern. It makes like a word like something's loose, so I have to go check that out. I don't know if you guys can hear it. But yeah, gotta check that out, and don't mind the wire. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit later. And yeah, and also in that clip where I was trying out the nitrous, the bottle was pretty empty. After I was testing it out, I came back with Lencho, and we opened it up to see how much nitrous was left. There was nothing. There was like nothing. It was just air. Like, you know how when you're using the hairspray or the thing you use when you take a shit for one smell, when there's just air left, that's pretty much what it was. But like the bottle's completely empty. What is up, you guys? It is the next day after that last clip. You know, I was having some issues here and there with the starter and stuff, and also how I was getting the fuel leak, and I got some where's that thing at? Can't find it. But it's kind of like thread lock, but the liquid form, and I put some right here on the thread because I was having a fuel leak right here. And you see where it's all yellow. And I'm about to test out the car right now. It's been sitting overnight and stuff, so hopefully that fixes it. Car's on. What the fuck? Why? Alright guys, I'm ending the video right here. Sucks that I didn't get to use my nitrous, and sucks I have a fuel leak and stuff, but I'm just gonna wait until I get paid. I get paid this week, so I'm just gonna buy a new fuel tee and get my bottle filled, and I'll be back for a second video. And I want to give a big, huge shout out to Lencho Mike, who helped me install the whole nitrous and bottle warmer thing. Honestly, I didn't do a single thing. They pretty much did the whole thing for me. I don't want to take credit for something I didn't do. But yeah, big shout out to them. Honestly, when it comes to wiring, I have no idea what I'm doing, but big shout out to Lencho Mike. And yeah, get ready for the next video. Hopefully it's going to be great. Got some plans coming ahead, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you next time.